Now you can experience gourmet grilling anywhere you go with a Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Gas Grill from Cuisinart. This high-performance grill allows you the convenience to grill like a gourmet chef no matter where you are. Whether you're at the beach, the campsite, or even right at home, you'll be serving up gourmet meals like you're in a professional kitchen. And unlike other portable grills, the Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Gas Grill provides ample cooking space for the entire family. The cooking grate is large enough to cook 8 steaks, 8 hamburgers, 6 to 10 chicken breasts, or even over 4 pounds of fish. Enough food to satisfy even the hungriest of crews. The Petit Gourmet Portable Gas Grill heats up very fast to temperatures over 500 degrees, so you're ready to start grilling right away, and at the same time, you'll use far less gas than a full-size grill, saving you money. And when you're done cooking, the Petit Gourmet Portable Gas Grill's legs fold inward in seconds. And with a locking lid latch and comfortable handle, it's ready to go to your next event. The Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Gas Grill. Gourmet grilling wherever you are.